To prepare karavada, I take 1 cup idli rice, 2 tablespoon urd dal, 2 tablespoon tur dal. Okay, soaked 2 hours. Then grind it fine paste. Rice, grind like this, thick paste like. Okay, urd dal, grind like this, smooth and thick paste. Add a little bit of water and grind. Okay, take a bowl, add the grounded rice, idli rice. The grounded urd dal. One teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Saffroita powder, 1/4 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, salt to taste, mix well. The batter is very smooth. This is South Indian special karavada. Add grated 1 tablespoon ginger, 2 green chilli, curry leaves. Add soaked tur dal or chana dal. Any dal you can add, tur dal or chana dal. Batter is ready. Salt to taste. Check salt and after add salt. Mix well. The batter is ready for fry. Take the batter like this and pour it into the oil. Heat the oil, medium flame. Fry the karavada. Wash hands and take the dough like this and pour it into the oil. Only medium flame. Flip it over after 2 minutes. One side change the color and flip it over. Flip it over 2-3 times. The color changed. The vada is ready. Transfer a bowl. Okay, flame off. Super South Indian special karavada. You try and enjoy. Very tasty and easy karavada. Okay. Send your feedback. Subscribe my channel. Okay. This karavada is very tasty. Thank you.